To remember in Italian is ricordare. To forget, dimenticare. To buy, comprare. To sell, vendere. To sleep, dormire. To wake up, svegliarsi. To laugh, ridere. To cry, piangere. To live, vivere. To die, morire. To build, costruire. To destroy, distruggere. To push, spingere. To pull, tirare.